NeuraRephraser. We've all got old content that we're either not using or not getting good results from. NeuraRephraser is your shortcut to rewriting, recrafting, and re-energizing all of that into fresh, new, engaging content that gets you ranked, builds engagement, and ultimately sells more. So let's have a quick look inside. The primary tool is called NeuraRephraser Pro, which will rewrite any content for you in seconds up to 5,000 characters. This basically lets you breathe life into older content with originality and flair that's devoid of robotic or artificial undertones and aligns with the best in academic, professional, and creative writing standards, making your content stand out. But let's see it in action. So all we need to do is right click and paste our content that we want to rephrase, and then simply click on generate, and the system will start working immediately. You can see that it is quick. It will rewrite this content within under a minute, usually within seconds. You can see it's almost done. It's right down to the bottom. Once it's finished, you get response generated, and that is it done. You can see just how quick this works. Then all we need to do is click on copy and use that new content wherever we want. So in this case, I'm going to head over to Grammarly. I'm going to paste it in and see what score Grammarly gives us for this content. So it took just seconds to do, and you can see the overall score for this content is 94. This is very clear on clarity. It's very engaging. This is good quality content. There are two alerts. They're most likely spelling, grammar, or punctuation, so we can quickly whiz through and check what those are and correct them. But our overall score is 94 in Grammarly, and that took NeuraRephraser just seconds to do. And you can run that for up to 5,000 characters, and it's done very, very quickly. So that's the main NeuraRephraser Pro tool. But then there's another 10 tools that you get that restyle content to get different results depending on what you're looking for. So we have Benefit Booster, gets persuasive. It's great for making your product descriptions or sales copy more captivating. Analogy Architect updates your blog posts or social media content with analogies and vivid metaphors that stick in people's minds. Empathy Engine lets you invoke feelings through shared experiences, creating a connection with your audience. Convo Craft. This reframes your content as an intimate chat with your readers, building that know, like, and trust factor. Then we have Narrative Nurturer, which weaves personal tales and insightful case studies in to make your content memorable. Then there's Data Digger, which helps you build credibility and authority through data and facts. Then there's Intrigue Innovator, which lets you draw people in with intros or openings that grab attention, perfect for headlines, titles, and hooks. Then there's Saga Sculptor, which uses the power of storytelling to get into people's heads. We all love a good story. Then we have Solution Spotlight. Quite simply, this makes your product descriptions and sales pages more persuasive, selling more. Then the last one, number 11, Motivation Maven. This is ideal for writing speeches, motivational articles, uplifting social media posts, and energizing newsletters that get people to take action. And there you have it, 11 tools to rewrite, recraft, re-energize all of your old content to make it fresh, new, and engaging. And all so easy to use, you can be cranking out that fresh new content in minutes. Grab NeuraRephraser today, and I'll see you on the inside.